Hey guys, so today I got Subway. I got a meatball marinara meal, and this is a foot long, and it's cut into thirds, which is awesome. But for the chips, I got chips, but I will actually use the chips I got from Subway for something else in a future mukbang. So to replace it, I got two of the, I think like the fun size, or like the size for that's in a pack, and I got two chips to replace it, and these two I think can be the same amount together. Yeah, these two both mix, or yeah, together, yeah, can be the same amount as the size of chips you get at Subway, or even more, which is awesome. Lay's barbecue and Cheetos, and then I got a blue Gatorade for the drink. And then for dessert, I have a raspberry cheesecake cookie. Before I eat, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, it's fine. Sorry about that if it's bad or inappropriate. Well, something inappropriate, but yeah, sorry. Really good. I'll stop doing that. Just be careful. I was doing that just to be careful, but I'll have courage, yeah. And confidence, yeah. And also, I'll be humble. And that chips for Subway, I might do in a future mukbang. That might be filmed later today. Awesome. Okay. Let's get some Lay's action going on here. I'll eat a few. I'll eat some of the few Cheetos. I'll eat a few Cheetos, then I'll put it in the sandwich. So that'll be good. First time how it's like that. That was weird. Sorry. But yeah, I've heard, yeah. Finishing in the first third, I'll put some Cheetos and Lay's. Oh, some of the crumbs out, sorry. Put a few. I don't want chips to fall if I put it in a lot. We'll start by saying that if it's good or bad, yeah. You just give it a sec. Start saying give it a sec. Okay. Got everything in one bite, perfect. Cut it into thirds. Sorry. And also the finger with the food. Sorry about that. I might make another thumbnail actually. So here's the cookie. Let me just see, hang on. If I could actually do it from the bottom box. Skin. And then maybe I could just like put it on top. Perfect, awesome. Okay, make it stand. It's a nice spot. Set it, calm down. This will do. Okay, here. Oh, sorry. Didn't see that in time. Okay, that's fine. Sorry about that. Okay. Don't worry, that was nothing. Yeah, sorry. This is nothing. Just move this around. Cool. Actually, hang on. Sorry. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay. No, everything, sorry. Okay, this is the cheesecake cookie. Let's try a little bite. Off to the side where you guys can't see. So we'll eat some of the chips by itself. Sorry, that was weird. I apologize a lot, yeah, I'm annoying. Just trying to, but I'm just nice, yeah. Yeah. If you guys think it's wrong, a mistake to replace the chips with other size chips, and that's on me. Because that is bad, that is a sin. I know, it's bad. Okay. Haven't gotten the gamer yet, sorry. Guess I'm over apologizing too much. I always like the blue ones because of the color and the taste, but I never drink them often. Usually I just forget. Yeah, I'll put some here. Okay. Not perfect, but yeah, sorry. Then the timing is not perfect. I'm so clumsy, I'm sorry. Sorry, my mouth wasn't moving. The food, sorry. Food drop. Got it. Sorry, that was very disgusting. Yeah, sorry. And also, I'm really good at these mukbangs. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. Oh. Sorry, I'm sorry that. Feels inappropriate, sorry. Or inappropriate, sorry. Right we're in. Okay. Maybe I'll just cut the chips a little bit. Make it easier so it doesn't fall down. I asked the employee who made the sandwich if the meatballs could be cut in half. Can be cut in half. But employees can't do that. I don't know why. They should. Okay, last one. Don't worry, tips are not much at all. These are my favorite things to always get. Subway, when I was young, I haven't gotten Subway often. Before, I've gotten Subway like over a year, or almost close to a year. Except for when I did the sidekicks and this right now. So I have to keep back going often. And Subway's food is fresh. It's good. I'm surprised there are a lot of Subways. I thought it was McDonald's. Sorry, messy. Okay, I'm gonna get bite in half. I know it's actually no mind. Put a little bit because I don't want it to fall. And I have to start drinking more of the Gatorade. Sorry, that was really disgusting, sorry. I'm so messy. Hope this goes appropriate, sorry. Good, I got something to give you down. Oh, sorry if it moved, yeah. Oh, we got all the chips. We got that's chips you got. No, nothing's alright. Sorry about how I'm biting, sorry. Write the sandwiches down. Eat some of the chips and the sauce. I've also plan to maybe make mukbangs on other sandwiches like Potbelly, Jimmy John's, Jersey Mike's. Those would also be good. Maybe Charlie's cheesecake too, but oh yeah, I also got Panera's too. Yeah. I wonder if there's Subway in other countries. That'd be amazing. Do you guys like Subway? You guys should. You guys don't. Oh, look at that. So clean. This would be perfect for like picture worthy. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of it. I'm gonna get money. Bro, we'll do that. I'm not kidding. Alright. Subway is amazing. So I really how my teeth was. My fingers how sorry for how it was. Nothing, I was just thinking of something. Oh, it's for both the label and the bag. Okay, that's good. Excuse me, sorry. So, let's move this out of the way. Oh, this is good. Move this out of the way. That Subway was good. Don't worry, nothing happened. Piece of paper drop. Now it's time to finish the cookie for dessert. Their strawberry cheesecake is good. I used to love eating this a lot. I would always remember I wanted to know what it was until I think I either from online. Yeah. Can't remember online or saw the store once, yeah. And pink is an awesome color. My favorite color used to be pink, but now it's orange. I don't know why people like orange. It's amazing. Orange is innocent. Okay. And for future set of mukbangs, I am gonna try all the cookies. Just one cookie per mukbang. So, and I'm gonna eat all the flavors of all the cookies, at least at some point from mukbangs, yeah. So next Subway meal, next time I get Subway, I could, for example, I'll probably get chocolate chip, and then the next time mukbang I might get almond raisin, and then white chocolate macadamia nut, and then double chocolate, something like that, yeah. No, I mean something like that, in that order, yeah. 5 flavors of cookies. Raspberry, sorry for white chocolate dropping. Raspberry cheesecake, chocolate chip, almond raisin, double chocolate, and white chocolate macadamia. It's good. These only are 89 cents. Shopping is a fast I shouldn't have. But okay, it's only 89 cents. There, I'm satisfied. Thanks you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for another fantastic mukbang. Take care, everyone. Bye.